Hello everyone. Welcome to a quick tutorial on the multi-crop tool. Are you tired of cropping multiple items from a single image one by one? Let me show you a much faster way. First, just click on the Upload Image button and select your picture. Once uploaded, you will see a few options. Here, we have an image with 12 different products. Let's see how we can extract all of them instantly. Since these images are in a perfect layout, we can use the grid split feature. Simply enter the number of columns and rows. Here, we type 3x4 and click Grid Split. And boom, 12 perfect crop boxes are created automatically. Now just click Generate Crops and look at that. All 12 images are extracted on the right panel. You can download them individually or click Download All Zip to get them all at once. But what if you only want to crop one specific item? Just clear the regions, select the rectangle tool, draw a box over your subject, and generate. It's that simple. You can also choose the circle and ellipse tool. Just drag it over any object, like this mug, generate, and you get a perfect round crop. Now for those tricky, uneven shapes, we have the Custom Shape Polygon tool. Simply click point by point around your object to trace its exact outline. Once you close the shape, hit Generate Crops. The tool precisely cuts out your object with a transparent background. It is fast, easy, and runs entirely in your browser. Try it out for yourself right now by visiting https://multi-crop-image-tool.blogspot.com/. Thank you for watching, and happy cropping!